Good evening again, ladies and gentlemen. In an effort to show you how hard I am not cooking for my family, by the way, the meat's still frozen, I thought I would do a second song, and I think it's almost 8 o'clock. So we're kind of screwed here on the feeding thing. I just finished and posted the Supergroup Styx song. Now I'm going to go ahead with I'm going back a couple of years to a Creedence Clearwater Revival song. This one seemed especially appropriate for today, as it did not stop raining, and it was probably the most depressing day of the quarantine so far. So I'm giving you a 2 for Holy Thursday. You're welcome. Here we go. Here I am in quarantine. All it does is rain, rain, rain. You know, I've been home for way too long, staring at the same four walls, answering video calls. I don't know, I've been home for way too long. You've gotta go, Corona, COVID-19. You've gotta go, Corona, COVID-19. I'm stuck inside, I'm quarantined. Yesterday and days before, I've been stuck inside indoors. I know, been this way for too long, and forever long it goes. Isolation blows. I know, I just feed my belly. You've gotta go, Corona, COVID-19. You've gotta go, Corona, COVID-19. You cut me down, I'm eating lean. Yeah, you've gotta go, Corona, COVID-19. You've gotta go, Corona, COVID-19. I'm stuck inside, I'm quarantined. Dinner time.